Then the next thing you do, I would open this up and drain that out. I don't see it separating from it, so it's probably part of the deal of this fan shroud. But go ahead and drain out the antifreeze that's sitting in there, and then you'll be able to take the cap off. It's just a rubber cap, basically, with a hose clamp. So install that back on, and then I'm still trying to find the spot that the other person shared in the video where you drain the block a little bit. There. I think he said it's on the passenger side. You're gonna have to undo this, but I'm trying to see where exactly on the block to drain it. It shows like in the video, like right here, but it can't be that. That's your exhaust manifold. It's not that. So, and that's your head. So I would double check it yourself. It might be right there, but this right here would be your motor mount. So I think, you know, so I'm gonna do what I can. This is a 2022. It told them in the manual to drain the antifreeze, change it. I'm like, dang. And then we just went to AutoZone and simply just get this Asian coolant, pink. All right, hopefully that will help you out on your coolant change. But I just did this, take the cap off, and then drain it. And see, now it's not draining anymore. You just go from right here on the driver's side. You could take it off, but if you got one of these, you can catch it from the end and here. And it doesn't feel like a lot. I feel like maybe a gallon and a half. But this is a 23-quart dog. Okay, that should do it. And I did look on the driver's side, and I don't see it on that side. So I'm gonna just let you know. It's up to you. But this is a 22, and I got the 50-50 mix. Hopefully this will help you out when you change your antifreeze on your Tacoma. Alright, thanks for watching, thumbs up.